So this is a unboxing of a CTEK MXS 5.0 battery charger and maintainer. One of the most technologically advanced maintainers on the market. Comes with its own little bag for keeping the accessories. Here's one of the first accessories. This installs to the battery terminals. If you have a side mount battery, even better. And then this is the boot for the Comfort Connect, and it seals out any moisture. Very handy to have one of these. Here is the actual unit itself. Very well packaged. Comes with these rubber grommets. And these are I call them the alligator clips. It's got an inline fuse. So you can choose to either install this, and then this clips into here. I can show you. Like so. And then it's a quick disconnect. And that just stays in the car. Or if you have a classic car and you don't want to install something like that, this is the other option that you have. And these are all protected from any accidental shock or spark. Click on the link below for our 25% off bundled package.